So this is my preliminary design for how my menus are going to work. As you can see here, I have a couple of buttons rigged up to switch through the menus. It's not insanely fast, but works pretty well. So I made some little bitmaps that I stick up in the corner. Can't really see it very well, but it says miles per hour MPH up there. And they have the different screens kind of in a minimal mode down along the bottom. So when I hit the next button, it'll flip to the fuel screen, the navigation screen, the general information screen, and then loop back around and do the engine status screen. Right now I just have this as showing how many milliseconds between refreshes it's taking. I have it hooked up here to a cheapo GPS module that I got for 23 bucks. It's hooked up to a Arduino Uno, although eventually I'm going to have a board specifically made for it. And then the pins along here will just hook straight into the screen, and it'll basically piggyback off of that. And then I'll have the little terminals for hooking up extra devices. It's going to use RS422 for communication. There's going to be a total of 3 modules on the line so far. For the other 2, one's going to be in the engine itself on my boat, and then the other one's going to be back by the fuel tank doing measurements on that and stuff. These are the other 2 modules so far. Same kind of a format. It's power, communications, and then there'll be, let's see, that one will be for controlling stuff, and this one will be for taking readings. If it's going to control something, it'll probably be the choke. And then this one's for the fuel tank area. As you can see, it has more transistors for controlling stuff. I plan on having this control the lighting and a few other things on board. Same type of a setup here with the power communications, and then these 2 are for the fuel tank sensor and something else of my choosing, really. And then one of these is going to be for turning on the power to the fuel tank, because it's basically a voltage divider, but the one inside the tank is a pretty low resistance variable resistor, so it sucks a lot of power when it's reading. So I'm just going to turn it on when I take a read and turn it back off. But that is what I've got so far on my boat project. Thanks for watching.